Now, if you've been following us at all, you know that we had a corn crop this year, and we were really excited about our corn crop. We have made cream corn videos and how to care for your corn and when to harvest. We have just had a really good time with our corn crop. So this field behind us, that was our corn crop. As you can see, it's been all cleared out. We've harvested our last batch of corn. So now it's time to move on to what are we going to do with it now? Well, we are in late June here in Central Florida. It is hot, it is humid, and not much grows. I've got my sweet potatoes, my peanuts, my watermelons, and my okra. They're growing. Really, we're kind of at a loss for anything else at this point. But the main thing is this field right here, our corn crop, was the first time that we had used this field. My husband had just tilled it. We'd never used this portion of the ground. We have been expanding our garden, and we had very little compost that we could add to it. And then we went and planted corn in it. And corn are big nitrogen feeders. So we have decided that I am going to plant a cover crop today, and I'm going to plant Sunn Hemp. I ordered this from Haas Tools. I'll put a link below. It's a nice big bag. I think I paid, I don't know, $10. It's not expensive, but it's a nice big bag of it. This covers, I think, 1,000 square feet. So I'll have more for other areas. But out here, we're going to plant the Sunn Hemp because Sunn Hemp really puts nitrogen back into the soil. So that's why I chose this. And it grows really well in really hot weather. So that's perfect for what we need for this field, because in the fall, I want to plant some more vegetables, because the fall here in Florida is just a wonderful time to plant. And I'm really excited about it. I'm trying to get our beds prepped and get them going. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet and you enjoy videos like this or enjoy watching videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. And if you ring that bell, you'll get notification where you won't miss anything that we have coming forward. Since the bed has been prepped, it's been leveled from the hills. My husband went through and weeded it, and now we've cleared it all out. I'm going to go out there and I'm just going to broadcast these seeds by hand. All right, so the field has been seeded. So now I'm just going to take a little fan rake and go out there and just brush a nice thin coat of dirt over the seeds. All right, so that's it. They've been planted. We put a little dirt over the top. Now we just need to add the sprinkler to it to keep them nice and moist. Your seeds need to be moist, not drenched or soaked, but nice and moist so they can break through that shell and come up through the dirt. So now this cover crop, while it is going to replenish the soil of nitrogen, it will also add organic matter to your garden bed, and it also suppresses weeds. So it has three really wonderful functions, and I'm just really excited about having it this year and planting it in the fall. So thank you so much for being here with me today. I really do appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And there will be a link in the description box so that you can check out the seeds. They have different kinds of cover crops for different seasons and different climates. So be sure and check those out if that's of interest to you. If you'd like to help us in any way, please share us with your friends and family all across your social media. It's the absolute best thing you can do to help us. So until next time, take care and God bless.